This is Venerable Shahasara from Burma, living in the United States of America. I'm honored to be selected for 10th World Peace Summit at Kiva College, University of Oxford. As a Buddhist monk, I work in missionary work and preach Buddhist meditation, and I work for world peace as a messenger and peace ambassador. Therefore, I was selected and was the global ambassador for interfaith harmony and peace building. I'm happy and excited for the important World Leaders Summit and meeting global leaders from over 30 countries and attending this prestigious conference and award ceremony. In conclusion, I thank the jury team and Global Empire Events Limited for the incredible recognition. It is both an honor and a privilege to attend before you today at the important World Leaders Summit. I would like to express my gratitude to the jury team and Global Empire Events Limited for recognizing my effort and promoting interfaith harmony and peace building. This platform is a testament to the collective commitment we share towards fostering understanding among diverse communities. As we gather here, we are reminded that the world we inhabit is beautifully diverse, filled with myriad beliefs, cultures, and traditions. Yet, it is also a world fraught with challenges, conflict, intolerance, and division. In moments like this, we must reflect on our shared humanity and the common values that unite us all. Today, I want to emphasize three critical pillars that can guide our collective journey towards peace. First, the power of dialogue. Dialogue is the cornerstone of understanding. It allows us to share our stories, to listen deeply, and to build bridges across divides. In our interconnected world, we must prioritize open conversations that embrace differences rather than shying away from them. Let us create safe spaces where individuals from all faiths can express their beliefs, fostering an environment of respect and cooperation. Second, the importance of collaboration. No single entity can tackle the present issues we face today, be it poverty, climate change, or conflict alone. It is impressive that we unite our efforts across nations and peace. By working together, we can harness our collective strength, resources, and wisdom to create sustainable solutions that uplift all of humanity. Let us forge partnerships that transcend borders and belief systems, standing together as one global community committed to peace. Lastly, the urgency of education. Education is a transformative tool that empowers individuals and communities. It is essential that we invest in educational initiatives that promote interfaith understanding, tolerance, and empathy. By educating the next generation about the richness of diverse beliefs and the importance of coexistence, we are sowing the seeds for the future where peace prevails over conflict. As I reflect on my journey as a global ambassador for interfaith harmony, I am inspired by the countless individuals and organizations working tirelessly for peace. Together, we have the power to create a world where every person, regardless of their pace or background, can live in harmony and dignity. In conclusion, let us leave this comment, this summit, not just as leaders, but as ambassadors of peace. Let us commit ourselves to work ahead, embracing our shared responsibility to foster understanding and harmony in our communities and beyond. Thank you for your attention and thank you for your commitment to a more peaceful world. Thank you.